Now I am solving question number 5 of the exercise 2.4 of NCERT, which is actually the optional exercise. Now what was the question? Question is that when you divide these polynomial by these polynomial, the remainder is of the form this x plus a. Okay. Then you have to find the value of k and a. That is, you have to find the value of this k and this a. So this is the question. For this we simply have to do the division. That's all. We'll do the division, and after completing the division we'll end up with some remainder. Then we'll be comparing that remainder with this given one, so that we can find the values of k, etc. Okay, and a. So main thing to do the division. So let's see. So x to the power 4, degree here is 2 and here is 4. So the degree of quotient I'll be taking x square. So x square into x square, x to the power 4, then minus 2 x into x square, x cube, plus k into x square. Change the signs. Minus 6 plus 2, minus 4x cube. Then here the main thing, we don't write the terms separately. We'll group them. That is, what will you do? We'll take in this way, right? That is, we'll take the coefficients together. So here it is, we take bracket 16 and here it is minus k. So 16 minus k. Okay. So this is the thing. In this way you have to write, then it will be easy to do the division, manage the division. Otherwise, if you write the terms separately, you will be getting confused. So remember, when doing the subtraction here, we take the coefficients in the bracket 16 minus k. Then write the remaining terms, minus 25x plus 10. Okay. Next, x square into minus 4x will be this. So I'll multiply with minus 4x. So the first term will be same as 4x cube. Then minus plus 4 2s are 8, x into x, x square. Then it is minus 4kx. Change the signs, getting cancelled. Again here, you do the simplification. That is x square, I take common. Then 16 minus k, and is minus here minus 8. So do see this, 16 minus 8 is 8. So I write here 8, then minus k. In this way I am writing 16 minus 8 is 8, then minus k. And here also I will be taking the coefficients in the bracket. So the variable is common. So it is 4k is plus minus 25, then plus 10. So main thing, in this way you have to write the terms. That is, when subtracting they should be in a single term. Okay. So next, what should I take? The coefficient of x square is 8 minus k. So I have to multiply this with 8 minus k. So 8 minus k, I take. So it will be 8 minus k into x square. Then minus 2x into this. So what we do again? Coefficient of x is minus 2. So I multiplied this with minus 2. Minus 2 into 8, minus 16. Minus 2 into minus plus, so plus 2k x. Then lastly k into this. Keep in that form. K into 8 minus k. Fine. So you've seen how I've done the thing. I'm keeping them in groups. Instead of splitting terms, I'm keeping in group. Then it will be easy to manage. So it is minus, it is minus, it is also minus. Both terms getting cancelled. Again here, you take common x. Okay, so now look at this. So you see here, minus is there, no, 0 plus 16, it will be minus 2k. So minus 2k plus 4k, it will be 2k only. 2k. Next, minus plus, so it is plus 16. Plus 16 minus minus plus, plus 16 minus 25. Plus 16 minus 25 is how much? Minus 9. Minus 9. Then lastly, what can I do here? You see, minus into minus will be plus. So k into minus k into minus k plus k square. Minus 8k, then plus 10. Okay. So we understood how I have done the thing. We have to do this very carefully, that without making any mistake in the signs. It is very important. Carefully you have to do this step. Okay. So here our division is division ends. The degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor. You see, degree of Rx. This is your Rx. This is your Rx. This is actually Q of x, and this is your G of x, and this is your P of x. So you see, degree of Rx is 1 and degree of Gx is 2. So division algorithm condition is satisfied. So we stop the division here. Now what to do? We have to compare this remainder with the remainder given in the question. So you write comparing Rx, that is Rx with x plus a, because in the question it is given remainder is x plus a. So let me write according to the question, remainder is your x plus a. This is given, no? And according to the question, remainder is x plus a, and by division I got this to be the remainder. So now I am comparing this remainder with x plus a. So first you compare the coefficient of x. So comparing coefficient of x. What is in the left hand? 2k minus 9 is the coefficient of x. 2k minus 9 is equal to, here it is 1. 1 into x, so it is 1. Okay. I am comparing the coefficients of x in this Rx and this Rx. It is 1 into x, so this 1. So from this I am getting the value of k. 2k is equal to, take 9 to that side, 10. Therefore k is equal to 5. So that is the value of k I find. Okay, k is equal to 5. Next I compare the constant terms. Comparing constant terms. What is constant here? This term is the constant. K square minus 8k plus 10 is equal to, constant term here is a. Now simply put the values of k that we found in 5. So, or 5 square minus 8 into 5 plus 10 is equal to a. Right? Therefore, a is equal to how much? It is 5. So 25 plus 10 is 35 minus 40. So that is actually 35. 8 5 is 40. So it is minus 5. So it is minus 5. So these are the answers. Okay, k is 5 and a is minus 5. So in this question mainly you have to manage the division, and I have shown you how you can do it without doing mistake. That is by grouping the terms, and when doing the subtractions in these steps you have to be extra careful for not making the sign mistakes. Okay, that's all for today. Meet you next time.